All right, so let me tell you about matter. I have to get ready myself. So, now, matter is made up of these things called elements. Did you guys talk about elements yet? Yeah. So, matter is made up of all different kinds of elements. Now, here's the cool part about elements, is that elements they're very different from each other. It's kind of like all of you are very different from each other. Now, everybody look at your thumb on your right hand, okay? And if you look at your thumb on your right hand, everybody has a fingerprint on there. You guys see that? Yeah. And here's the cool part. If you look at everybody else's thumb, each of your fingerprints are all different. You guys see that? Now, it's the same thing for elements, okay? So all the elements are different. And now, how can you tell that the elements are different? Well, what we're going to do right now is we're going to actually light them on fire. And you'll see that when we light the elements on fire, you'll be able to see different colors, and each color is different. Now, you may see a red, like two different kinds of reds, but the reds are completely different from each other. There's different shades of red. Like there's a hot pink, and then there's like a deep red and so forth. You may see two different greens. Like you may see a yellowish green and then a really bright green, and you may see like a bright orange and so forth. So all of these different elements that make up everything that you know, everything on the planet, and even you, okay, will actually have different colors that when you put them in the flame. Now, how many of you guys have actually seen a fireworks show? How many of you guys have seen a fireworks show? Okay, good. Look at that, everybody. So, well, let me ask my kids. How many of you guys have seen a fireworks show? Okay, good. So, everybody. Now, here's the cool part. When we build fireworks, when you take a look at them, they're all different colors. Well, the people that run the fireworks show, the way they get all the different colors for the fireworks is that they just put these different elements into the fireworks, and when they explode, you see all different kinds of colors. So you guys ready to see this? Yeah. Go ahead and turn off the light. You see that?
Oh, what color is it?
A bright orange color. You guys see that? Now that bright color is for sodium, and that element is in salt. Do you guys know what salt is? Yeah. You find dining room tables, right? If you go out to a restaurant, you may see some salt, and that's the color that salt makes. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at another one. So we're going to try to do two popsicle sticks at the same time so you guys can really see the red color put it right there at the top. There you go. Do you guys see the red color?
Yeah. And what is this?
That's how they get red fireworks, is they put lithium inside of it. Cool, huh?
Interesting.
All right, why don't we try copper?
Oh, copper.
So copper is in pennies. And what happens when copper is dissolved? Yeah, copper makes you see that color? So copper makes a green color. So if you want green fireworks, you put a little bit of copper in there. So go ahead and do it again, Manuel. Yeah, you can just do it at the same time. All right. You can see that?
Oh.
That's awesome, huh? All right. Let's try some other ones now. Yeah, let's do strontium. So here's another one called strontium.
And these are all what, boys and girls?
These are all elements. Right, okay, good. And strontium, if you see the periodic table, is on the left, it's kind of near the bottom. You see it's kind of a reddish sort of color. It looks a lot like lithium, right? Lithium. So do strontium again.
Ooh.
Where's? No, okay. So let me do the lithium first, okay? So let's do a comparison. Here's lithium earlier. That's the red that you see, okay?
Ooh, look at that.
And
beautiful.
Let's try the strontium now. So that's one red, and here's strontium, a different kind of red. You see a little bit lighter? Do you see that?
You have to be very observant.
So now we're going to try barium. I'm going to try this with myself. So,
Barium.
I can just,
See that
barium.
on the board? Barium nitrate.
Do you see the yellowish sort of color and the green? Do you guys see the green? I don't know if you guys can see that too well. Let's try that again. Okay? So, barium has a little bit of a yellow, but a little bit of green too at the same time. You guys see it?
Yeah. Cool.